We are grateful to all those friends who have liked ZERON House of Creators channel, Friends. We are going to start a series from our ZERON channel, the aim of which is to discuss those things which are not understood by the people. Then they would have missed their feet, murshids, scholars, leaders, teachers, guides, and leaders. And peer and murshid, etc., instead of satisfying these simple people, avoid them. Then these poor people leave these matters or problems to Allah, due to which they are not able to make the decisions of their lives correctly, and because of this, their lives are ruined. When this thing becomes the habit, ritual, custom, or ideology of all people, then the country and the states are destroyed and destroyed. And if even one person comes to understand, then we will consider ourselves successful. Thanks, ZERON House of Creators.